Okay, so in Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment, why was it essential that the beam was narrow? Alright, so if we look at what actually went on in the experiment, what he actually had was what's called a collimator. So if you can imagine, my source is in here in the middle, and there was thick lead all the way around it. So that's a collimator. And what that means is the alpha particles were fired out in a thin beam, or a narrow beam. Now, if that wasn't there and they weren't fired out in a narrow beam, they would all be flying off in lots of different directions. So this ensures the narrow beam means the alpha particle are... So the narrow beam means the alpha particles are all travelling, or moving is a better word, moving in the same direction. Now, you've got to bear in mind was Rutherford was measuring the deflection of the alpha particles so narrow beams been going together. Rutherford was measuring the deflection of the alpha particles. If the particles did not start moving in the same direction, his measurements would have larger uncertainties. And the reason for that would be he would be having the initial angle, difference in angle, would be affecting the difference in the results. Hopefully that makes sense. Thank you very much.